Detective Smith?
Yes, it is.
This is Officer Davidson from the Peel Regional Police. Jacob was in a collision and was hit by a driver while crossing the street.
No.
He's being transported to Credit Valley Hospital by Peel Paramedics.
No! He should just be getting home now from school. He's only 11. No!
Collisions involving drivers, pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users that result in serious injuries or death are a major issue in Mississauga.
As a police officer for over 25 years, I've attended many collisions involving serious bodily injury and fatalities. It is important to understand that these collisions impact not only the victims, but also the families and first responders. I would ask that you slow down and obey the rules of the road within our region.
Mississauga has the second lowest rate of fatalities and injuries on its roads within the GTHA. Collisions still happen, and one is too many. Factors that increase the risk include aggressive, impaired, and distracted driving, driving while tired, speeding, and stunt driving.
I have been a witness to many motor vehicle collisions and sights that I'll never forget. It has impacted me to this day. It has an impact on many people, and I encourage everyone to travel safely.
Collisions can happen in a moment and change lives forever. They can lead to injuries that have a lasting impact on your life and create a ripple effect that extends to your friends, family, and emergency services personnel, whose job requires them to be first on the scene.
In Mississauga, no loss of life on our roadways is acceptable. The city is committed to taking action to effectively implement Vision Zero. Our Vision Zero action plan will help keep people moving safely in Mississauga. Many of these collisions are preventable, and we all need to work together to make Vision Zero a reality. We thank all the first responders, including Peel Regional Police, Mississauga Fire and Emergency Services, and Peel Paramedics Services for the work they do to keep Mississauga safe.
The city is increasing its efforts to make our roads safer for everyone by lowering speed limits, installing traffic calming measures to address speeding, making improvements to infrastructure, and using data to make informed decisions.